Our art piece, Chasing the Stars, is one of the world's largest human-powered kinetic sculptures and has been very popular. This is the story of how we designed Chasing the Stars with the Goodyear, Arizona community.
When you go to the park and it'll be at the park and it's somewhere where you can look up at the stars and see them.
So as you look through these different spaces, it separates the sky into little areas. That's cool. I like that.
It would be like stained glass and it would actually put a picture on the ground.
Oh yeah.
But that would affect something else.
Well, but
Creative Machines hosted a series of hands-on community workshops with students, seniors, city employees, and the general public.
Whatever you want to do.
And then on the sides we wanted to have water lights and different
Oh yeah, water feature, like water coming down from one end or something.
We're thinking of something solar panels, so the light will catch the solar panel on the top.
Actually sitting down and making scores of models helped us get to the heart of what the community really wanted.
And then we're incorporating maybe a button because of course you can't sit on the solar panel.
It's kind of a magnetic pendulum swing. So someone could walk up, like if we're just hanging out, it's just there, and they can swing on this part and we swing them around.
It is important that people can put little scale figures in the models and use their own words to explain the experience.
This is the main structure in the middle, and then there could be swings coming.
We pay close attention to how people describe the experience of the art. We don't get hung up on specific colors or forms. It's all about how they imagine themselves and their community using the art they've designed.